how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we are making chicken wings teriyaki. You know, chicken wings teriyaki is one of the most popular Japanese dish. I believe fried sweet version from Nagoya is most popular. But today's version is much more simple. We don't fry it, we just pan fry it, and the seasoning is the same old teriyaki sauce alone. You know, to make it is super easy, but the taste would be super yummy. So why don't you try making it? Well, the ingredients for chicken wings teriyaki is only one. The chicken wings. You might get embarrassed to see these chicken wings with tips, but if it's without tips or with drumhead, it's okay. In Japan, this style is more popular. Well, we got only 3 steps making it. Step 1 is to sprinkle potato starch on the chicken wings. Step number 2 is to pan fry them in low heat with the lid on for about 10 minutes. Step number 3, the final step, is to season it with the same old teriyaki sauce. 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and with 1 tablespoon of sugar. And lastly, sprinkle the grated sesame for garnish. Super easy, isn't it? Well, let's go on to step 1. Alright, it's time to go to step 1. Step 1 is to sprinkle potato starch. Yeah, like this. Okay, I believe it is enough. Oh yeah, that's okay. It works well. Okay, it's kind of almost coated with the potato starch. Yeah, I believe it is alright. Okay, why don't we go to step 2? Step 2 is to pan fry the chicken wings. When the pan is heated, add some salad oil and put these wings skin side down. Okay, about 10 minutes before it's nice and brown with the lid on. Leave it for 10 minutes in low heat. Shake the pan once or twice to avoid the skin stick to the frying pan. Alright, now 10 minutes has passed, so why don't we go on to step 3. Season it with the same old teriyaki sauce. 2 tablespoons of sake, 1, 2, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, mirin 2 tablespoons, right, and sugar about 1 tablespoon. Then flip it over once. Oh yeah, looks great. Looks awesome, isn't it? Yeah, it looks nice and brown. And great, it's almost done. Yeah, why don't we go on to the last step? Sprinkle the grated sesame on it. Okay. Yeah, it's time to plate the chicken wings. Yeah, it looks great. It looks awesome. Now the chicken wings teriyaki is ready to eat now. Alright, now you know to make chicken wings teriyaki isn't that difficult. So why don't you try making it at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching. And put some thumbs up button, leave some message down below, and subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching, take good care, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, arigato!